Hi, so I'm David, CEO, co-founder of Dataloop.io. I'm just going to give a quick overview of the new UI that we've released. So this is what the current old UI used to look like until about a week ago. We did a major release with the first iteration of what's going to be a massive change to our UI going forward for all the new users and current users. So here it is. Essentially, we've done a lot of things to kind of improve the consistency. So on the left hand side now, you've got a very nice clean menu. All your kind of user settings are now at the bottom here, and the menus are now moved to the side. Reason being, we want to make as much space as possible in the middle, so you can even minimize that menu. So we're really looking to kind of maximize your kind of working space in the UI, and also make things just visually consistent, so you know where to find things in a consistent place. So the setup page still looks pretty similar in terms of that, but we're actually going to be doing some major improvements in the way that we kind of organize a hierarchy around tags, so you won't actually have to kind of manually drag and drop all these kind of tags onto hierarchies in the future. So that's going to be coming in the next release. In terms of dashboards, they're still as beautiful as ever. However, we've kind of added some grid lines here. We've kind of made the buttons a little bit more visible. We've got the new share feature for those of you who haven't seen it yet, which allows you to kind of just publicly share your dashboards without people having to log in and actually have a login to access the dashboards. Great for if you just want to leave things running on the TV screen for days without having to refresh your logins. And yes, everything is pretty much organized around there. And the really cool thing that Michael's done, our UI developer, he's even added these nice thumbnails. So if we look at Production React, which is this one over here, if I actually go and dynamically kind of just drag one of those things, you'll see straight away the thumbnail is actually updated in real time as well. So you've got this very visual indicator of like all your dashboards when you're looking through them, and some of our customers now have quite a few dashboards, so that's kind of a nice visual indicator. And then finally, the rules and alerts. We have those the same as before. We have a lot of ideas about how we're going to reorganize this, but for now we've just kind of left it as it is with the kind of nice if this and that kind of alert rules that you can visually set up from the UI. And of course, one thing I forgot to show on the dashboard is you can of course put them into your full screen preview mode, so you can have this on tab rotate on your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use, just on the TV screen, rotating between your dashboards. So again, it's all starting to come together very quickly, and we're very pleased with the progress that Michael's made so far. So yes, any feedback, just feel free to email me back, and hopefully you enjoy using the new UI. And one last thing, when I log out, you'll also see we've even got a nice beautiful blue login page.